everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy. Today we are going to be looking at some footwork moves, okay? So this is like your footwork level 1 version. There'll be other levels later, but for now we're going to focus on the basics, alright? So today we're going to be covering box steps, ball changes, low skips, heel raises, heel toe raises, and a basic heel toe step as well, okay? So let's get started with the box step. Now I know all of you can do a box step, I know that. But we're just going to use it to kind of warm up the legs and get them used to moving, okay? Because they're not used to dancing, okay? So we just want to get them used to dancing. So all you're going to do is take a step forward with the right foot, with the left foot, and back with the right, and back with the left. That's all we're doing. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Now try not to go from side to side. Just take wide steps. They're going to feel a little bit weird because you're stepping kind of wide, but try and keep them as centered as you can. And back, back. Now, we do use box steps in dance pretty regularly, but we tend to make them a little bit harder, okay? So let's do the box step level up, okay? What that is where we step onto our heels when we're stepping forward and onto our toes when we're stepping backwards, okay? We give that a go. 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe. Balance might go a little bit, but that's okay. 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe. Again. 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe. One more time. 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe. Now to help with the balance, if you actually lean your body forward a teeny tiny bit, your upper body forward a teeny tiny bit, as you go forward onto the heels, that'll help you balance a little more. Okay, and then you'll kind of lean back a little bit. And we use these in different ways. Normally it ends up being a kind of a V shape where we go out, out, in. Once you know about this move, you're going to start seeing it everywhere because we use it quite a bit. Okay, and it's a useful thing to be able to do. Okay, so there's your box step and your box step leveled up. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is a ball change or a step ball change we can use as well. We're just going to do a basic ball change. Ball just means the ball of your foot, which is this part up here. All right, so we sometimes also call it being on your toes. Okay, but you're not just on your toes, you're also on the top part of your foot. That's the ball of your foot. Okay, so a step ball change or ball change just means that you're stepping on your toes. That's all that means. A ball change means you're changing from one foot to the other. Okay, so how a ball change normally looks is we're going to take the left foot right here, okay, and you're going to step it behind the right foot, okay, then you're going to step the right foot again and then step the left foot out, okay. Now we're going to do this on our toes a little bit for now just to get your body used to it, okay. So here we go. 3, 4, behind, right, side, again. 3, 4, behind, right, side. One more time. 3, 4, behind, right, side. Let's try it on the other side. 3, 4, behind, left, side. One more time. 3, 4, behind, left, side. Give me one more. 3, 4, behind, left, side. Okay. Now these end up being very fast when we get used to them. Okay. They have, guys, like endless uses. Like I can't even describe to you how much ball changes are used. Like they're just a total staple across many dance styles, but especially in K-pop. My goodness, we use them all the time. Okay, we can use them as a step on their own. We can use them as a way to move. Like my goodness, the uses. Okay, definitely. If you're not used to ball changes, they are definitely something to practice. Okay, and I'll be making another practice video later on that you guys can use to put all these together and review them and practice them and all of that. All right. So, but let's do from the right side to the left side. 2 times each. All right, so we're going to go right, left, right, left. Let's do it. 3, so left foot's going first. 3, 4, back, right, left, and right, left, side, and left, right, side, and right, left, side. Okay, now don't worry if you haven't got the hang of that yet. It takes a little bit of practice, so you can keep working on it. But just to keep the video nice and short, we're going to move on to the next thing. But you guys can practice that as much as you need to. All right, so the next thing is low skips, okay? Now skips might sound fairly easy, okay? Some of you are probably very good at them already. Maybe you don't need any help at all. But if you do, I'm just going to teach you how to do them because sometimes they get a little bit foot trippy and it's uncomfortable. So I'm going to teach you exactly what they are, how we break them down. Okay, first part is a step. So we're going to start with the right foot here. You're going to step the right foot out for me. Okay, or the back foot, whichever you want to do. So face the side for me. Step out your back foot. Okay, you're going to take the left foot in. You're going to do a little hop that frees the right foot, and you're going to tap it down. And that's all you're doing. Tap, hop, down. Okay, give me that one more time. Tap, hop, down. Okay, one more time. 3, 4, tap, hop, down. Okay, and that's what creates the skipping effect. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to keep it going by stepping the left foot forward or the front foot forward. Here we go. 3, 4, 1, hop, down. Scoot it back. Let's go again with the front foot. 3, 4, step, hop, down. Okay, one more time. 3, 4, step, hop, down. Okay, let's try do one on the back foot and one on the front foot, one after the other. All right, here we go. 3, 4, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now skips are best done when you don't think too much about them. If you start thinking too much about them, feet start getting a little bit trippy. Okay, but in case you need to learn how to do skips, there you go. That's how you do a skip. Step, hop, down. Okay. After skips, we are going to do heel lifts. Ooh, this is a fun one. Okay, face the side again for me. Alrighty. So you're going to go all the way up on your toes for me. All the way up on your toes. Okay, it's very hard to balance all the way up there, isn't it? Good. Go all the way up on your toes. This is a great way of strengthening your leg muscle. Okay. And drop it back down. Up again. Whoop, all the way up. And drop it back down. Okay, we do actually use these. I'm not just playing with you. Okay, now what you're going to do for me is you're going to drop down as slowly as you possibly can. Okay, I'm going to count to 4. We're going to try and go down slowly for 4 beats. All right, you ready? Whoop, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was not easy, was it? Let's do it again. Up we go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do one more. Ready? Here we go. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm not going to make you do more than 4, but when I was being trained how to do these, our teacher made us do 10, and he would stick his hand under our feet to make sure that we didn't come down too quickly. So I'm not going to do that for you guys. I can't right now, but even in class I don't do that to my students. But it certainly does motivate you to keep your feet up. Okay, this is about control, it's about leg control, but it's also useful for a move we're going to do in a second. Okay, but for now, let's do one more. 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so face the front for me. Okay, what you're going to do now is we're going to kind of do the reverse of that. We're going to leave our heels on the ground and we're going to lift our toes up. Now we can't lift our toes as high as we can lift our heels. That just doesn't work body wise. Okay, but we're going to just lift them as much as we can. Okay, so just lifting up the toes. 3, 4, up and down. Here we go. 3, 4, up and down. One more. 3, 4, up and down. Give me a last one. 3, 4, up and down. Okay, so shake that out. What we're going to do is we're going to have the toe of one foot on the ground and the heel of the other foot on the ground. Okay, so what's going to happen with your knees is the toe leg is going to have the knee bent so that it can lift, okay, and the heel leg is going to have the leg totally straight, okay, otherwise it can't lift the toe up. Okay, so let's just do one at a time. We're going to go toe, heel, like that. Okay, so I'm going right, left. You can do whichever way suits you. Okay, here we go. 3, 4, toe, heel, and drop it. One more time. 3, 4, toe, heel, and drop it. Again, one more time. 3, 4, toe, heel, and drop it. Okay, now we're going to try do it at the same time. We're going to try lift the heel and the toe at the same time. Ready? 3, 4, up. Drop it down. 3, 4, up. And drop it down. Here we go again. 3, 4, up. Drop it down. Give me one last one. 3, 4, up. And drop it down. Okay? Shake it out. Let's do it the other way around. Okay, so whichever foot you didn't do the toe of, you're going to do that one and the other foot with the heel as well. Okay? So 1, 2 to start with. Get our legs used to the feeling. Okay, here we go. 3, 4, toe, heel, and drop it down. One more time. 3, 4, toe, heel, and drop it down. One more time, here we go. 3, 4, toe, heel, drop it down. Last one, 3, 4, toe, heel, and drop it back down. Okay, now we're going to do them at the same time. Ready? Ooh, here we go. 3, 4, up, and down. 3, 4, up, and down. 3, 4, up, and one last one. 3, 4, up, and down. Okay, what do we use this for? We actually use heel-toe moves a lot, like a serious amount of moves that use heel-toe moves. Okay, I've taught some of them before in previous basics, but this is a really good way to get your feet and your legs used to that shape, so that when you start learning other versions of this, it's going to be so easy for you because your body's already going to know how to separate that heel-toe thing, all right? We are going to learn one of them right now though, okay? I do want to give you one tricky move. It's not tricky, sorry. One second layer move, okay? So, what you're going to do is we're going to have that toe again, right? I'm going to turn to the side so you can see this a bit clearer, right? So, and just like we did earlier, you're going to lower the foot down, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it's almost like you're pushing down. There's almost a kind of a pushing feeling. I don't tense the leg too much, but there's just a gentle kind of pushing feeling to it as we go. Okay? Now let's take the other foot. Okay, so this is the heel, all right? Now you don't actually have to have the heel sticking up for this move, okay? The foot can be on the ground, but the heel is the one that's holding the weight, okay? And what you're going to do is just push the toe to the side. So the heel is just turning the foot to the side. Okay, it's just turning the foot to the side. That's all. Just turning. So you're not like digging into the ground super hard or anything, but just that the heel has all the contact with the floor while the toe is a little bit lifted or a little bit loose. Okay, it can still be on the ground, it's just loose. Okay, and again, there's a pushing feeling. Okay, so what we're going to do here is toe, heel, push. Okay, we give that a go. We'll do 4 of these together. 3, 4. Toe, heel, push. Let's go again. 3, 4. Toe, heel, and push. One more time. 3, 4. Toe, heel, and push. One more time. 3, 4. Toe, heel, and push. All right, let's try it on the other side. So first just the toe. Get the toe up and push it down. And up and push it down. And up and push it down. And up and push it down. Okay, give me the heel. So this is the other one now. And again, just push it to the side. Just push it to the side. Push it to the side. One last one. Push it to the side. Okay, let's give this a go. Heel, toe, push. Ready? Here we go. 3, 4. So toe, heel, and push. Again. 3, 4. Toe, heel, and push. Again. 3, 4. Got the toe, heel, and push. And give me one more. 3, 4. Toe, heel, and push. That's it. Well done. Okay, so how we make this a little bit smoother, okay, is that we're going to turn it into a step. Okay, so you're going to step that toe and push. Okay, and that's going to send this foot to the side. You're going to lift this knee up, step, and push. Lift it up, step, and push. Lift it up, step, and push. Side in, step, push. Side in, step, push. Okay, let's do those together. We're going to do 4 of those together, starting with, I'm going to start with the right leg. You start with whichever one you want. Okay? Here we go. 3, 4. Step, push, side, in. Step, push, side, in. Step, push, side, in. Step, push, side, in. That's it, well done. And then when we speed that up, it looks really cool and flowy. Nice. Okay, so take some time to practice this. I'm not expecting anybody to get this immediately, certainly not. Okay, if you could hold this for 4 beats, I will be very happy with that for today's practice. Okay, so I hope these basics are helpful for you guys. They are definitely a solid foundation So I definitely practice these, get these really solid, because then you'll be able to put so much stuff on top of them, and so many other moves are going to be so much easier for you. So definitely get a good solid handle on these. There will be more practice videos, there will be more basics videos coming up soon, and once all of the level 1s are out, then I'll start doing the level 2. So there is going to be more footwork and stuff as well on top of that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye!